Next up, we have CoPilot Builder. So CoPilot Builder is basically a builder which allows you to configure the Copilot and its actions and how it will react when you ask certain questions to it. So the Copilot that you saw, I will be showcasing you how it works behind the scenes and what all things you can do with it. So I will again go back to our demo part of it. So if you can take me to the demo screen. Yeah, we are at the demo screen. I will come over here. So I am in the Copilot Builder. So I will open up the Copilot action that we have utilized earlier, which was summarize the record. And I will ask it the question like summarize hotel customer John Doe. So you would be able to see with this how Salesforce is fetching all of that data. So you're sure that the response that you are getting is correct. So from a perspective of, a developer or an admin, you have that clear understanding of, the data that we are seeing is correct or not. You would be able to see how it is fetching that data and then how it is providing us that response. So it is asking me which hotel customer you're talking about. So it is asking about, so I will choose hotel customer John Doe. It is asking me this over here, not in that particular context because it was something. So in the Copilot Builder, it does that sometimes, but it's for our own good because we are trying to debug it. We're trying to understand it. So you can see what plan it executed internally. It internally executed, identified the record, then it summarized the record by querying this flow that we have created, and then it gave us this response. So the flow or the prompt, whichever we configure with it. So it is giving us this information. So this is Copilot Builder. Let me ask it some different question. Let me ask, who is Brian Young? So Brian Young was the patient for which we kind of summarized that information. So let's see what it provides to us. So, yep. Just a second. So AI will take some time, but not as much time as you will have to go and click through all of that. So you can see, again, we can see the dynamic plan, how it identified and how it summarized the record. So it is giving us Brian Young is a patient under the care of Vanshika Soni, the case owner. And the medical history is this. A dermatology consultation is scheduled. Hydrochloride was being issued, like the medicine name. So we have all of that information. Now you see like the power of Copilot. You don't have to go here and there. You don't have to change the apps as well. You can ask certain questions and it will provide you those details just by asking the questions. So you have this capability and then you can create your own Copilot actions as well. You can choose Apex Flow prompt template, as I said earlier, model builder, then we have prompt builder, and then we have Copilot Builder. Try to understand it like this. Copilot Builder can run without prompt itself only, as you can see on the screen itself only. And model builder you might not be utilizing because you would be utilizing standard models. So it's up to you, but this is how it's kind of, stacked on top of it, which you can then leverage according to your needs. And prompt builder you would be utilizing as I showed earlier as well. So this is prompt builder. Now I will again move back to the slides. Yeah. So onto the slides we have